Slovakia, a country most people rarely talk about when discussing Europe. No massive hype, no flashy immigration marketing. And honestly, that is exactly why some smart migrants are quietly paying attention to it. Because while millions of people compete for countries like Germany, Canada, and the UK, others are entering Europe through smaller countries with lower competition, growing labor shortages, and more realistic opportunities. But here's the reality. Slovakia is not a dream luxury destination. If you expect huge salaries and instant success, you may be disappointed very quickly. So the real question is, can Slovakia actually help you build a future in Europe in 2026? Or is it just another low-paying country people use temporarily? Today, we are going to break down the complete reality of Slovakia work visa, including jobs, salaries, cost of living, visa process, and the hidden truths most people never talk about. Because for some people, this small European country can become a very important first step. Now, first understand one important thing. Slovakia has become increasingly dependent on foreign workers in recent years. Why? Because many local workers moved towards stronger European economies for higher salaries. And this created shortages in industries like factories, automotive manufacturing, logistics, warehouses, construction, industrial production. This is why companies started hiring foreign workers, and honestly, this is where many people find their first legal opportunity in Europe. Now, here's something very important most people misunderstand. Not every country is meant to be your final destination. Some countries are starting points, experience builders, or gateways into Europe, and Slovakia fits into this category for many workers. Now, let's talk about salaries. This is where expectations become very important. Average salaries for many foreign workers may range around 900 to 1,800 euros per month, depending on overtime, industry, experience, and accommodation benefits. Now, compared to Western Europe, this may not sound impressive, but here's the reality most people ignore. Living costs are also lower, and because of that, some workers still manage to save money, especially if overtime is available. But now comes the part nobody talks about honestly. Life can be difficult in the beginning. Some jobs are physically demanding. Factory shifts may feel exhausting. Language barriers can create isolation. And mentally, some people struggle because Europe does not instantly become the dream life they imagined. This is why mindset matters more than hype. Now let's talk about living expenses. Rent may cost around 250 to 700 euros. Food and utilities may cost around 250 to 500 euros. Transportation is relatively affordable. So overall, Slovakia is still cheaper than many Western European countries. Now, let's talk about the visa process. Most foreign workers enter through employer-sponsored work permits. Usually the process works like this. Company provides contract, permit process starts, visa gets approved, then residence documents are issued after arrival. Now, here's the dangerous reality. Fake agents. This is one of the biggest risks. Some people pay huge amounts for fake promises. Others arrive and realize the job conditions are completely different from what they expected. And unfortunately, this happens more often than people think. That's why verification is extremely important. Now here's another hidden truth. Some workers use Slovakia strategically. They gain European work experience, legal stay history, savings, and international exposure. And later, they try moving towards stronger economies within Europe. So again, strategy matters more than country hype. Now, let's talk about language. English works only in limited sectors. For long-term stability, learning some Slovak language becomes very helpful, especially in daily life and workplace communication. Now, here's the biggest mistake people make. They compare every country with Germany or Switzerland. That is unrealistic. Every country serves a different purpose. Slovakia is not for luxury lifestyle, massive salaries, or instant financial success. Slovakia is more about legal Europe entry, practical opportunities, stable work, and long-term planning. And honestly, for many people, that is enough to completely change their future. Because the truth is, some people spend years waiting for the perfect country, while others quietly start building their future step by step. So the final decision depends on you, your expectations, your mindset, your long-term strategy. Slovakia is not a glamorous migration destination, but for the right person, it can become the beginning of something much bigger. And sometimes, one small opportunity is all it takes to completely change your life. If you want deep global analysis and practical insights about countries, visas, immigration, cost of living, jobs, salaries, student pathways, and real-life opportunities, make sure you subscribe to the World Guide, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments so you can plan smarter for your future.